All right, here we have the 2025 Solstice 230. This is with the sage green and the black rails all the way through. It's a very good looking tritoon from Harris. Let's go to the interior and take a look at some of the features. All right, so this is the CWDH, or center walk-through with dual helm seats. This is the Solstice, so this is a nice upgraded pontoon with lots of different options. Got the pull down armrests with the cup holders. We've got storage in the floor. You've got your nice high backs with the nice diamond stitching. JL audio throughout the boat. This has got the nice 12-inch Simrad screen. Again, JL audio head unit. This has got the digital throttle. Lots of great things. This has got the new electric Bimini from Harris. So a little bit different style, but just press a button and the Bimini goes up. And then we come to the back here and we've got the new boarding ladder. And this is a Mercury 250 horsepower V8. Again, 230 Solstice right here on our show floor. Come take a look.